When do you have to make a full stop? A. At orange traffic light. B. At a red traffic light. C. At a yellow traffic light. D. At a green traffic light. The correct answer is letter A. At red traffic light. While driving with maximum speed and you have to stop suddenly, you should A. Apply your brake strongly with steady pressure. Apply your brake gently and with unstable pressure. Apply your brakes gently with steady pressure. Brake immediately. The correct answer is apply your brake gently with steady pressure. A driver while on highway, business, or residential area shall yield the right of way to vehicles, drivers, pedestrian, vendors. The correct answer is pedestrian. Letter C. Steady green light at an intersection means wait for pedestrians. B. Yield at the pedestrians. C. It is the turn of the vehicle on the other side to stop and pedestrians are not allowed to cross the pedestrian lanes. D. Pedestrians are allowed to cross the pedestrian lanes. The correct answer is letter C. What is not a good trait of a driver? A. Driving cautiously. B. Driving recklessly and under the influence of alcohol or drug. C. Considers what others drivers might do and is preparing to do. D. Defensive driving. The correct answer is letter B. Number 6. It shall mean that the Leo has reasonable ground to believe that the person driving the motor vehicle is under the influence of alcohol, dangerous drugs, and or other similar substances upon personally witnessing a traffic offense committed. A. Probable cause. B. No reason. C. Probable reason. D. No probable cause. The correct answer is letter A. Drivers of public utility vehicles are prohibited from A. Helping passengers. B. Taking care of passengers. C. Overcharging fares and fast taximeters and cutting trip or going beyond authorized line. D. Taking care of passengers' baggages. The correct answer is letter C. If in doubt while at an intersection, one must do nothing, stop, go, yield to the right of way. The correct answer is D. Yield to the right of way. To avoid confusion to other road users after changing lanes, finishing a turn and overtaking, the driver should make sure your signal light turn on after changing lanes, overtaking, and finishing a turn. B. Put down car window. C. Do nothing. D. Make sure your signal light turns off after changing lanes, overtaking, and finishing a turn. The correct answer is letter D. If you are backing up in a straight line, turn and look behind you over your shoulder at left. B. Back. C. Front. D. Right. The correct answer is letter D. Right. It is not considered safe driving on an expressway when a driver of a motor vehicle A. Change lanes with signal. B. Change lanes without signaling. C. Change lanes carefully. D. Change lanes slowly. The correct answer is letter B. Change lanes without signaling. This traffic sign states direction and distances. A. Instruction sign. B. Notice sign. C. Zodiac sign. D. Informative sign. The correct answer is letter D. Informative signs. What is the proper attitude of a good driver? A. Not following the signages. B. Not following the traffic laws, rules, and regulations. C. Follow the traffic laws, rules, and regulations. D. No care for pedestrian and other road users. The correct answer is letter C. When can a driver's license be lent out? A. It must not be lent out. B. Emergency. C. When a friend borrow it. D. When student driving. The correct answer is letter A. A public utility vehicle can only be driven by a holder of A. Student driver's license. B. Professional driver's license. C. Non-professional driver's license. D. Conductor's license. The correct answer is letter B. Professional driver's license. When driving at night, you should A. Open your window. B. Always turn your headlight off. C. Always turn your headlight on. D. Open the radio. The correct answer is letter C. When are you permitted to double park? A. Always. B. Never. C. Fiesta. D. Celebration. The correct answer is never. Letter B. What should you do when you are driving at night? A. Drive without headlights so you can stop in an emergency. B. Make sure you are driving within visibility range of your headlights so you can stop in an emergency. C. Drink your water. D. Sleep. The correct answer is letter B. The traffic light or signal that tells you to stop before the intersection is steady yellow light, steady green light, steady orange light, steady red light. The correct answer is letter steady red light. A flashing yellow light means do not slow down and proceed with caution. Slow down and proceed with caution. Accelerate and proceed with caution. D. Speed up. The correct answer is letter B. If you are the first to arrive at the scene of an accident, which of the following should you do? Do not offer any reasonable assistance. B. Ignore. C. Offer all reasonable assistance. D. Continue driving. Letter C is the correct answer. A type of field sobriety test that requires the driver to walk heel to toe along a straight line for 9 steps, turn at the end, and return to the point of origin without any difficulty. A. The walk-in turn. B. The horizontal gaze nystagmus test. C. The one-leg stand. D. The alcohol test. A is the correct answer. It is illegal to park A. within 3 meters of a fire hydrant and with 5 meters from the intersection. B. 4 meters of the fire hydrant and 6 meters from the intersection. D. Within 5 meters of fire hydrant and within 7 meters from the intersection. D. With 6 meters of a fire hydrant and within 8 meters from the intersection. The correct answer is letter B. Before making a turn, the driver should use the turn signal at what distance? A. 25 meters. B. 30 meters. C. 35 meters. D. 40 meters. The correct answer is letter B. The traffic signal light that means you can go if the intersection is clear. Steady orange light. Steady yellow light. Steady red light. D. Steady green light. D is the correct answer. On long drives, you should be awake and alert. If you are tired or very sleepy, you should continue driving, park at the designated bay of the road and take an exercise. C. Park at designated bay of the road and take a few minutes nap. D. Park at designated bay of the road and eat. C is the correct answer. You are preparing to exit an expressway. When should you start your reducing speed? A. With delay upon entering the deceleration lane. B. Immediately upon entering the deceleration lane. C. Immediately after entering the deceleration lane. D. Never. The correct answer is letter C. Signs that are round, inverted triangle, or octagonal with red colored border are called cautions or warning sign. B. Priority sign. Regulatory sign. D. Speed sign. The correct answer is letter C. When you are intended to drive slower than the other vehicle, you should use the innermost lane. B. Innermost right lane. C. Outermost right lane. Or D. Outermost left lane. The correct answer is letter C. Before entering an intersection and you can see traffic coming from your left and right, you should A. Go. B. Slow down. C. Accelerate. D. Stop. The correct answer is letter D. Road accident can be avoided and minimized if the driver A. Don't follow the traffic signs installed in particular places. B. Knows and obeys traffic signals, rules, and regulations. C. Disregard traffic sign installed in particular places. Or D. Ignore traffic signs installed in particular places. The correct answer is knows and obeys traffic signals, rules, and regulations. Letter B. This traffic sign warns you that school children may be present in the vicinity. A. Triangle. B. Square. C. Diamond. D. Pentagon. Pentagon is the correct answer. A driver must not park or stop at the side of the road with a stop sign or a traffic control signal because it reduces visibility for other drivers, especially when it is within 3 meters, 4 meters, 5 meters, or 6 meters. The correct answer is letter D, 6 meters. What should you do when approaching a pedestrian lane? A. Continue driving. B. Park your car. C. Stop and yield to pedestrians. D. Stop and pressure the pedestrians. The correct answer is letter C. According to the Philippine Clean Air Act of 1999 or RA number 8749, A. Every citizen has the right to breathe clean air. B. Every citizen has no right to breathe clean air. C. Every driver has the right to breathe clean air. D. Citizens has the right of drink clean water. The correct answer is letter A.